everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for Quillbot. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in quillbot.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you are, mouse over to your profile initial at the top right and click on account details. Soon after you do that, you'll open up the profile tab. Click on the change password option under account, and now enter the current password for your Quillbot account in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the next field and enter the new password you'd like to set for your Quillbot account. Confirm the new password in the last text box by retyping it again, and finally click on change password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've been redirected to the login area. Now you can type in your email address and the new password that you just created for your Quillbot account and click login. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Quillbot account with the new password. That is how you can easily change your password for Quillbot. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.